Welcome everyone. Today we delve into the world of auto insurance rates, a topic of great significance to all vehicle owners. Understanding the nuts and bolts of auto insurance is essential, whether you're a seasoned driver or you've just got your first set of wheels. So, what exactly is auto insurance? In its simplest form, auto insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company promises to pay for specific car-related financial losses you may experience during the term of the agreement. This could include losses from accidents, theft, or damage, but it's not all cut and dried. Auto insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all product. There are different types of coverage, and the ones you need might depend on where you live, among other factors. Firstly, there's mandatory coverage, also known as liability insurance. This type of coverage is required by law in most states. It covers the costs if you cause an accident and someone else is injured or their property is damaged. Then we have optional coverage, which, as the name suggests, isn't required by law, but can provide additional financial protection. Comprehensive coverage, for instance, covers damage to your car from things like theft, fire, or natural disasters. Collision coverage, on the other hand, pays for damage to your car if you're involved in an accident, regardless of who's at fault. It's worth noting that some states have specific requirements for auto insurance. For example, some states require personal injury protection, which covers your medical expenses after an accident, regardless of who's at fault. Others require uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, which pays for your costs if you're hit by a driver without enough or any insurance. Knowing the basics of auto insurance sets the groundwork for understanding how rates are determined. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your auto insurance coverage. Now that we know the basics, let's explore the various factors that influence auto insurance rates. Firstly, personal factors play a significant role. Your age, gender, and marital status are all considered. Younger drivers, especially males, often face higher rates due to statistical data suggesting they are more likely to be involved in accidents. Married individuals tend to get lower rates as they are perceived to be more stable and less risky. Another essential aspect is your driving record. A clean slate with no past accidents or violations is certainly a plus, making you a less risky proposition for insurance companies. So buckle up, follow the rules of the road, and keep that record clean. Moving on, the type of vehicle you drive also affects your rates. High-performance cars or luxury models might raise your rates due to higher repair costs. The age of the vehicle and the safety features it is equipped with also matter. Newer cars with advanced safety features could potentially lower your rates as they are less likely to be involved in severe accidents. Your location is yet another factor. If you live in a highly populated urban area, you might face higher rates due to increased risk of accidents, theft, and vandalism. On the other hand, residing in rural areas or regions with low crime rates might fetch you lower premiums. Lastly, let's talk about coverage options. The extent of coverage you choose directly impacts your rates. Opting for higher liability limits or additional coverage options like comprehensive and collision will undoubtedly increase your premiums. However, they provide better financial protection in the event of an accident. It's a delicate balance between being adequately covered and keeping your premiums affordable. As we can see, a multitude of factors come into play when determining auto insurance rates. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions about your auto insurance, potentially saving you a considerable amount of money in the long run. Your driving history plays a crucial role in your auto insurance rates. Let's understand why. Picture this. You're a seasoned driver with a record as clean as a whistle. This sends a clear message to insurers that you're less likely to file a claim, leading to potentially lower premiums. On the other hand, if your driving record is peppered with accidents and traffic violations, insurers may see you as a high-risk driver, leading to higher premiums. Now, let's talk about accident forgiveness. It's like a get-out-of-jail-free card. If you have this coverage and you're involved in an at-fault accident, your rates won't go up. Not all insurers offer this, but it's worth asking about. So, it all boils down to this. The safer you drive, the less you may have to pay. It's clear that maintaining a clean driving record can significantly lower your auto insurance rates. Did you know your credit score can affect your auto insurance rates? Let's discuss how and why. Insurance companies use a metric called a credit-based insurance score to predict the likelihood of filing a claim. This score is influenced by elements of your credit history, like payment punctuality and outstanding debt. A higher score generally means lower premiums, as you're deemed less of a risk. So, why does this correlation exist? Well, studies have shown a link between credit behavior and claim frequency. Those with lower credit scores tend to file more insurance claims, hence the higher rates. But fear not. Improving your credit score is achievable with responsible financial management. Regularly review your credit report for errors, pay your bills on time, and try to reduce your debt. These practices not only enhance your credit score, but could potentially lower your auto insurance rates. Remember, improving your credit score can be a strategic move towards securing better insurance rates. Scene script. Shopping for auto insurance isn't just about finding the cheapest rate. Let's consider the factors to keep in mind. When it comes to shopping for auto insurance, one golden rule stands out. Never settle for the first quote you get. The insurance market is vast and prices can vary significantly from one insurer to another. It's essential to take the time to compare multiple quotes. Online comparison tools can be a great help here. They allow you to view and compare different insurance rates side by side, making it easier for you to make an informed decision. But remember, while price is an important factor, it's not the only one. You should also consider the insurer's reputation, customer service, and claims handling process. Reading reviews and ratings can give you a better idea about these aspects. Now, let's talk about discounts. Many insurers offer a variety of discounts that can significantly lower your auto insurance rate. For instance, a safe driver discount may be available if you have a clean driving record, while a multi-policy discount might be on offer if you bundle your auto insurance with another policy, like home insurance. These discounts can add up, leading to substantial savings over time. However, don't just take these discounts at face value. Make sure to ask about the specifics. How much can you save? Are there any conditions or requirements to qualify? This way, you can ensure you're getting the most out of the available discounts. Finally, don't forget about the value of personalization. Your auto insurance should fit your needs like a glove. This means considering the coverage options and limits that best match your situation, and not just the price tag. It may be worth paying a bit more for a policy that offers comprehensive protection, rather than opting for the cheapest one that leaves you underinsured. By comparing quotes and understanding discounts, you can find the best auto insurance rate for your needs. Scene script. Who doesn't love a good discount? Let's explore how you can save on your auto insurance rates. First up, let's talk about safe driver discounts. Many insurance companies reward safe drivers with lower premiums. This is because a good driving record demonstrates to your insurer that you're less likely to be involved in accidents, thus making you a lower risk. So, how do you maintain a good driving record? It's simple. Follow traffic rules, avoid speeding, and never drive under the influence. But what if you're a new driver or have a few blips on your driving record? Don't worry, all is not lost. You can still prove your safe driving skills by completing a defensive driving course. These courses are designed to help you master advanced driving techniques and make safer choices on the road. Completing a course can not only polish your driving skills, but can also lead to discounts on your auto insurance rates. It's a win-win situation. Next, let's discuss vehicle safety features. In today's world, cars are equipped with advanced safety features like anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags. These features significantly reduce the risk of severe injuries in the event of an accident, and insurers appreciate that. But it's not just about the traditional safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADS, such as blind spot detection, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning, are becoming increasingly common in modern vehicles. These features can prevent accidents before they happen, and many insurance companies offer discounts for cars equipped with them. So when you're out car shopping, keep an eye out for these safety features. Not only will they keep you safer on the road, but they can also lead to savings on your auto insurance rates. Remember, every bit of savings counts when it comes to auto insurance rates.